Good morning. This is Melissa with the StockSwoosh.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Stock Swoosh Show, aka the Stock Swoosh Trading Room. I've decided to call it the Stock Swoosh Show because that is really what it is. Every day that I talk about the stocks that I like in the market, it really is so much fun that it is like a show to me. The market is just a wonderful, fun place to trade every day and make money. So, if you're interested in the Stock Swoosh Show, please feel free to email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. I am doing a Stock Swoosh Show open house, 3 free days this coming week, March 13th to the 15th, 2013. The hours of the room are 8 a.m. to noon. That's when the show takes place. And you can go to this link here at Online Trader Central. The password will be Swoosh for those 3 days. If you have problems accessing the room, please call customer support during that morning because I will be obviously talking and running and trading in the market. If you can't get in, call 508-363-2342. So this is really about the whole concept of the Stock Swoosh Show in the room. It's about you learning a direction for the morning so that you know where to put your money on the day. Stop throwing yourself into the market without a support system. Look at this guy. He's being eaten alive. Do you want to be eaten alive by the market? No. The answer is no. Protect yourself and be in a good, solid room in the morning that is a support system for you. Don't throw yourself into the market without being in a solid place each day to hear a good market call based on technical analysis and stock picks and entries and exits, which I call at the show as well. So it's about transforming your trading by being in a good environment that's a support system that has quality education during the day and also good stock picks with good entries and moves. You need focus every day in order to make money trading. It's easy to say you could do that every single day by yourself, but sometimes it's hard because there's thousands of stocks every day to look at, to play and pick and trade. And it's really about quality. It's really about focus being at the Stock Swoosh Show. I don't look at 1,000 things every day. I really narrow down when I'm looking at each morning, 2, 3, 4 things that I'm looking at to focus on and trade. And when you have focus, that's how you make money, not just on the stock pick itself, but the entry. I have found that I've become so picky, so specific about my entries. Just this year in 2013, it has helped to increase my trading profitability and also my exactness with more precision and more detail than I've ever had, even in last year in 2012, by just really focusing on getting the play right. The play is so important. I can take a stock symbol, a gap, that is even not highly rated, and if I can find and pick it apart and find a good play in there, I can make a lot of money on one play, even if the gap isn't fantastic on the day. You know, I just did that this past week with one stock, which was AEO. So why join the Stock Swoosh Show? To get swooshes, to get swoosh calls. Here was a beautiful swoosh call that happened. This was an amazing play. This was DDS. This was just the other week back in February. Another reason to join the show is to save money by not doing reverse swooshes. This is AVAV. This just happened this past week, and it was a reverse swoosh. It was completely unshortable. It rallied up on the day. I teach to short weakness, not strength. So I never did anything with this. Never called a play in this. Never did anything with this. Knew immediately in the first 5 minutes of the day to be off of it that it was not going to work out right on the day. And this is another thing that I teach in the room. And I say, wait a minute, stop. Don't do this. Save your money. Do not do this play. It is not going to work. Cancel. And sometimes you don't know that till the stock opens on the day, but I can tell when it opens and trades if it's going to set up right or not. I can just tell that. I'm very good at seeing what the chart's going to do within the first 5 to 15 minutes of the day. So why become a show member? To get great stock picks in the morning, to learn about trading gaps, to get a precise market call every morning, which I've been very apt to do each day. And I'm looking at the price of every single day, where the market's gapping, what the trend is on the day, where I think the market's going to go in the first 30 minutes of the day is important. To learn how to trade more efficiently, also very important, to help you stay focused and disciplined. to help you become profitable by learning how to make money and book money. You know, it's not just about, you know, getting in the trade and just sitting back. You have got to book it. You have got to consistently book money and trades. And I have learned that as much as I like to write down the targets and figure everything out, it's about booking money, and you can't just hold something and trade it to the target. You've got to make the money in the move and book it. Get in a great place, which I'm able to do, and get a drop, book it. Get back in again, get a drop, book it. Chunk away your day like that, and all of a sudden, before you know it, you've got 10, 12 hours. So I also, at this show, you can learn to trade quality trades, quality stocks, and get quality entries, because I call it the entries in the room live and say where to put the stop. So it is about getting results. This is a reason to become a member of the show. So definitely check me out this week during the live open house from March 13th, 14th through the 15th. The Stock Swoosh show schedule is 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I do market review and gap analysis. 9 to 9:30, review top picks for the morning to trade. 9:30 to 11 a.m. is a trade, when we trade live, and I call live trade entries and exits. And 11 a.m. to noon is a trade review for the day. So, reasons to join the show. Number 1, to get a plan of action for yourself on the day. Number 2, to focus yourself on the day for what the market direction is going to do, and also for what stock symbols you want to trade. Number 3, teaching, learning the entries and exits, learning technical analysis, learning chart reading skills. 4, motivation. I'm very motivated when I talk every day. It's just a normal part of me, and I think it's extremely important as a trader. Everybody needs motivation as a trader. First of all, everyone needs that in their life overall, and to have it every day being in the room with me, I have a great energy about me. I love what I do. That's the reason why. And number 5, technical analysis skills. You will learn my technical analysis chart reading skills. You will pick that up from me just being in the room. 6, learn how to read charts in a sophisticated way. If you don't know what I mean, you'll have to be there to see. But I don't always look at things the way that everybody does. I think that's what makes me a good trader. 7, to get conviction. I teach people to get conviction in their own stuff, their own things they like. Sometimes people say, well, I like this. And I say, well, I like this. They got to do what they like. Do what you like. You have to learn how to get conviction in yourself. 8, tap into the power of your own brain. I truly firmly believe that you need to do this in order to take yourself to the next level with your trading. Find a way to do it. And once again, I motivate people to do that in their own power of their own self and their own mind. 9, learn the power of the market. You know, the market's very powerful. If you can read the market accurately and read stock symbols accurately, you're going to be able to make money trading. You know, there is a lot of money to be made trading the market. No question. And 10, make money. Obviously, that's the number 1 reason to join the show, to trade at all, is to make money. So come and join the Stock Swoosh show to learn all of these things and to make money. So the plan of action at the show is that it is possible to be successful trading. It really, really is if you have a plan of action. And that means pick the good stock to trade with the high odds of working in the direction of your bias, whether it's long or short, and also to make sure you enter at the best possible price point and time of the day. This is extremely important. It's about balance, having balance in yourself each day when you're getting ready to trade. And the room, I think, helps sets the tone for that. I help set the tone for that, for myself and for the people in the room. This was a trade that I did this week. This was the Golden Gap AEO. It did not rate great. However, I managed to do a terrific play in it and make a good, I had my day in this one trade, just because of the size I took in it and the perfect entry and the stop. And it wasn't a great gap. In fact, I said this is probably not going to continue the next day like some of them do. It just was not a great gap. Here was the play. This was the Golden Gap AEO. This was just on the 6. Entered right here. Got the drop. Stop was right over the doji bar. This was a beautiful play. Didn't enter here because it would be too aggressive. I would do this normally, but not on a gap that didn't rate high. Didn't have a lot to look at in the day. Says, you know, I'm going to watch this and see if I can get a perfect play in it. And lo and behold, I did. It gave it to me right here, and you get the drop. Now, I didn't even stay in it for this full drop because I took it just only into the tail and out, because 9:40 is a reversal time. So is 9:45. It took it down to 9:45, but you never know that, all right? And I knew this wasn't a perfect gap. As it turns out, it went down all the way down to 1965, which was, look, the open and the bar here. I mean, talk about a beautiful, beautiful chart. And this is the kind of stuff you're going to learn from me in the room. You're going to see this stuff so you can find it on your own. I mean, that is the goal. You know, you learn from a teacher and a mentor like me to empower yourself to become a better trader. That is your goal. That should be your goal, to find someone that really knows what they're doing and learn from them so you can do it on your own and you don't need anybody. I mean, that's what I did. All right. I except for the fact that my market was my greatest teacher. The market itself was my greatest teacher. It was a hard road, but ultimately that has made me such a good trader and so good at reading price form patterns, because it was the market that has taught me, and the market is my teacher even now. So the entry time was 9:37. The price was 20.29. The stop was over 20.38. The risk was 9 cents on 4,000 shares, which was $360. Again, you make your risk yourself. You can cut it in half or quarters. The exit was at 9:39, which was 19.82, and the profit was 18.80. That's a great trade. There, boom, there. That's it. That's a day. Like I said, I mean, that was my day on the 6th. And then I can decide if I want to do another trade or not. That's the beautiful thing about getting these nice, fluid, solid, quick moves in the morning. You got your day in 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I mean, this was 2 minutes. 2 minutes to make the kind of money. I mean, this is a reason to be at the Stock Swoosh show. This is a reason to join the show, to join the room, to be there every day. And you know, you have to learn how to trade like this. Fast money, quick money, playing gaps in the market is the best money. It's the easiest money for me. And then after that, I can decide to take another trade to hold it to target, or hold it for an hour if I want to. And it's no stress because my day is in. Do you see the difference? Otherwise, you're waiting, looking, trying to find something, and you've got to get it to target to have a day. And no, that is not the mentality that I teach. And I don't think that's good for a trader, novice or an old trader, because anything can happen in the market when you're trading. And the longer you're in a trade, anything can happen. So the best thing you could do for yourself is to take a great play and book it. So it is a complete trading room for your success. That is what the Stock Swoosh show is about. It is about teaching. It is about good quality stock picks. It is about good analysis of the market. And it is about good entries and exits for your stock, for your positions, and to give advice. And I'm going to say what I think about things. And some people may agree what I think about a certain symbol, and some people may disagree. We've been having actually a wonderful, fantastic talk in the room about Apple. Some people are long Apple. I don't think Apple's a long at all right now. So, you know, these are the kinds of good discussions we have on the day. It is very focused. It's all about trading in the room. No jibber jabbery. This is about trading. That's where it's about. It's about making money. So the right tools for success to be successful as a trader include having a quality trading room, having a quality place to go every morning as a support system with good stock pick symbols for you to look at in the day in the right direction to trade with good entries and exits. And to be there with me because I am able to spot opportunity in the market quickly. I really have a knack for that. When something starts to open and trade in the first 5 minutes of the day, I can tell if the stock symbol is going to work or not. In fact, yesterday with PetM, as soon as it opened, I said, no, we're going to stay away from this right now. And I went back and did a later play in it, a really nice play in it, actually. The fact is I am very good at reading charts, and I can see when something opens and trades. I can spot the opportunity very, very quickly, just like I did with that AEO trade. I said, boom, here it is. Quick, quick, quick. And then I call the trade and we take it. So it's about having a plan of action daily. This is a chart of the market for the direction for the market, for what to do, what is the goal on the day. Obviously, the goal is making money. Sometimes you have to just go for the cheese and make the leap and join the Stock Swoosh show. Be at the Stock Swoosh show to get results. It's about taking money home every day, sticking it in your P&L so you can pay yourself every 2 weeks or every month or whenever you pay yourself from the market. So the Stock Swoosh show hours are 8 a.m. to noon. The monthly room membership fee for students is $200. For non-students, it is $250. And the student fee is there for people that take my Golden Gap course. If you sign up and take my Golden Gap class, you will become a student of mine. And then the room fee is $200 a month. The next Golden Gap course is going to be March 23rd and 24th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. The cost is $15.99. If you are interested in signing up for the class on this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, the 23rd and 24th, please feel free to contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. Remember, if you would like to learn how to find these gaps, how to rate them, how to pick them, I look at 26 points on a daily chart of a stock to rate it each day to play it. Then contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. The next Golden Gap class is March 23rd and 24th. Email me to sign up today so that you can learn how to trade and be prepared for second quarter earnings season in 2013. The Golden Gap is your path to success in trading. It is my personal path to success in trading. It has been my path. It has been my path for the last 4 years, going on 5, and look at that path. I have nowhere where it's going to lead. Where is that path going to lead me someday? It's so exciting. I'm on the path. I'm walking this path right now, and it's amazing to think about what the future holds for me. So get on this Golden Gap path to success trading with me. This is a new approach to trading rooms. The Stock Swoosh Show is a brand new approach, and there has never been anything like it, I guarantee you. The fact that I'm so focused, I'm only doing one strategy, I'm closing the room every day by 12 o'clock, I'm really narrowing down when I'm picking, the precision of my entries, the fact I look at target and resistance points in the morning at 8 a.m. before the stock even opens, the fact I can see in the first 5 to 15 minutes of the day whether or not a symbol is going to work in the right direction or fail. There's never been anything like it. This is because of me, because of the level of quality and focus in my work. It is me. That's the reason there's never been any room like this. And I'm taking it to another level. I'm taking it to another level with myself, with my own trading, even in doing this and teaching people. And I love it. I really, really love trading. I love making money in the market. And I love what I do. So I will see you there. Remember, the room open house is next week, this coming week, March 13th, 14th, and 15th. If you're interested in more information in the Golden Gap class, please contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. It's March 23rd and 24th, and I'll see you at the room open house this coming week. Have a great weekend, everybody.